Let's see four stocks for tomorrow's session, that is on 25th of June 2020. The first stock in the list is Indiabull Housing Finance. Since last 4 days, the stock has seen lot of movements in both the direction. Talking about today's level, you can see that the sizable bearish candle with decent volume, though volumes are not as strong as its bearish counterpart, which means that it's just a small time retracement and this is not going to last. But talking about tomorrow's session, I expect another bearish day. If you see at the left hand side of your screen, you can see this particular zone. This is where the prices started to go on a free fall right over here. I don't think so that is going to happen. Price is not going to go as low as this price zone, but it can go till over here, which is around 176, and the current market price is 201. Also, I forgot to mention that iBull is nearing its psychological and round number of 200. If it bypass that in tomorrow's session, you can see the levels of 172 in the stock. Second stock for tomorrow's session is Dabur. In daily chart, Dabur India made a variation of inside bar candle. You can see this strong and sizable bullish candle which is contained, or rather which contains a bearish candle. So in tomorrow's session, if you look at this particular zone over here, this two bullish candle, which means that there are strong bias present at levels of 440. The current market price is 450.80. So in tomorrow's session, we can see the retracement up to 450 levels. So be ready to sell in Dabur India. Let's see the third stock we can trade in tomorrow's session, which is Tata Steel Limited. If you look at the stock is currently in uptrend. There is slight retracement happening, which is denoted by a strong and piercing bearish candle with strong volumes also. If you talk about the levels, currently it is trading at a daily support level. So in tomorrow's session, if it can go beyond the level of 325, you can see over here at left hand side of the screen, there are these two strong bearish candles with more than decent volume. So which means that there are strong sellers present at a price point of 326. The current market price is 325. So any movement below 325 can see stock going as low as 296 if there is a colossal selling. Having said that, we can at least capture 15 to 20 pips in Tata. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is JSW Steel. Just like Tata Steel, JSW Steel looks even more bearish in daily chart, implied by strong volumes. Talking about the level, currently it is trading in and around its daily support level. If you pay your attention to the left hand side of your screen, you can see these three bearish candles, and which means that there are strong presence of sellers at this particular price range. Current market price is 192, and the presence of strong sellers is around 170, not 170, 193. So if stock can go beyond 193, you can see price going as low as 175. So be ready to catch colossal downfall in JSW still. If you want to know all the important levels in the four stocks which I mentioned for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.